Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves. Today we are going to unbox and giving a full review on Ant Smart Projector series of Esports View 515. So let's check it out. On the box, it has provided some special features. It has 4000 lumens with FHD 1920 to 1080 pixels and has dual band with also it has provided USB port, HDMI port and BT version of 5.0 Bluetooth and has also remote control. It also supports some apps also. So let's unbox. In the box, we have got this projector itself and a power cord cable and a remote control and some manual pages. Yeah, so these are in the box. The projector looks very sleek with a matte finish and it has lightweight and has a modern design. On the back, here are some ports. It has a power button and here one HDMI port, an audio jack port and one USB port, and here's the power port, and these are the vents. It can be rotated up to 180 degree. This projector comes with 4000 lumens brightness and with a contrast ratio, and it has native 1080 pixels resolution, which means it should work well in dim lighting also, and yes, it supports 4K input, which is impressive for the price. And about its connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and you can cast your phone screen easily, and I tried it with both Android and iPhone and it worked fine with some minor lag, so yeah, it's okay. And it has a USB playback and smooth and HDMI inputs that supports gaming consoles and laptops. Let's check its connectivity and mirror screening. So guys, I have connected my projector and you can see it's screening on the wall. So guys, it's supported using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and you can cast your phone screen easily also. So I have connected my projector via Wi-Fi. So let's see how it's going to work. The screen is very clear and fine. Yeah, so let's search something. Let's check it out, our trending videos of our YouTube channel. So this is our recent uploaded videos. And you can increase your volume also. So this is how it's worked. You can connect this projector via Wi-Fi and also inserting this pen drive and with this HDMI cable. So guys, this Ant series of Esports View 515 is a smart projector. It's perfect, but for movie nights, binge watching or casual use, it's delivered more than expected at this price. So that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more tech unboxing and reviews. Got any questions about this projector? Drop them into comments and I will reply. Thanks for watching.